Hey there viewers, this is Saul Reisman here at Saul's Autotek. It's almost the end of 2019 and we just wanted to take a minute to say thank you. 2019 has been a changing year for us. It's our 10th year in business and we can't say thank you enough for the support. As we've experienced continued growth, the business has expanded and grown, and we are doing everything possible to make sure that we've got a network of technicians nationwide ready to handle any and all concerns that you have. Currently, we're standing inside our 15,000 square foot, 22 bay, 12 technician facility here in Greenwood Village, Colorado. In the coming year, you're going to see us transition through not one, but two additional facilities as the expansion continues. When we came into this facility on March 15th of this year, our volume doubled overnight. We had to step up and stay on the plate to make sure we could handle your requests and take care of your needs in a timely fashion. You put us through the ringer, and we're proud to say that we made it through, we've scaled up, and we're ready to keep going. If you've got concerns about your vehicle, you know that we're here for you, and you know that we're going to support you no matter what. I think of the vehicles that we've serviced this year, the people that we've helped, and the friends that we've made for life, because we trust them, they trust us, and they know that we've got them in our hearts and minds every time they bring their vehicle in. Thank you so much for making 29 the best year that we've ever had at Saul's Autotek. We look forward to next year and showing you what comes next.